Yo guys, it's Central Boat A here, and today it's just a little thank you to everyone on the Morgs video. And some people have been asking whether this is merch, and it's not. It's mine. So I'd just like to say thank you to Jem Ashford and their whole family for getting it me. It's really cool. Basically, I want to show you my Hill Climb 2 thing. Like, you'll see, just all the cars really. So yeah, I am on gold 3. So yeah, which is really good if any of you guys don't know. So to start with, I've obviously hello. Normally. So I've got the Jeep, the scooter, the super Jeep, the motocross. Now this motocross is very highly upgraded. It's actually upgrading right now to do this tutorial. Basically, to get coins. I mean, upgrades. So basically coins. Yeah. So don't have many cars, but I actually, instead of buying cars, I actually fully upgrade them first. I don't know why. But thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much for 110. So obviously Sunday's coming up, so hopefully the scooter tutorial, no promises, but I'm really hoping so. So thank you guys for watching, and